Okay, so in today's Tune-Up Fridays, I'm looking at Alderley Autos, an auto repair garage in Northampton. And what I like here is that they start with their phone number, working hours, and their address, which comes quite handy for users that are navigating either from mobile or from desktop. Something else here is that they have lots of services and they're all displayed on their website. You can see that each of those has a dedicated page. It's not that the majority of the garages are not doing those services. The difference is that not all of them are talking about those online. And if you're not talking about like brake repair or exhaust repair, then Google is less likely to understand that you're doing that. And if someone is looking online for clutch repair, garage, or specialist, and you're not talking about it, then Google is not going to show you up. So this is something that I like here as well. And for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, this is Tune-Up Fridays, where we aim to show quick wins to either drive more traffic to your business or to make them convert better. And my name is Stoyan from marketing. We're helping local businesses get more customers with their websites, with their Google business profiles. You get the idea. So back to the website. I wanted to look into one of those service pages. So let's open the car service page. And when you scroll down, you can see that you have information here about the garage, like again, the opening hours, the address, phone number. You scroll down, you can see the different types of services they offer. The majority of garages have only two of those, like interim and full service. And there's something in between here, the plus service, which gives more offering to the users, to the customers, which is great. You have information about what's included, and you're again talking about the different services you offer, like brakes, clutches, etc., etc. So I will suggest two improvements here. And one of those is that you have lots of blank spaces here. So you can optimize that. You can either move that information on the left or on the right and use the rest of the space to have your USPs, like your unique selling points. That's going to make you stand out in front of competitors. Or you can have a widget with reviews. That's again going to build some trust. People are going to see that you're a legit business. They're going to see that you're highly rated, so it's going to help them convert better. Or you can then fill out the space with content if you don't have any of the rest that I mentioned. And scrolling down here to the section they talk about the different services, something that can be done here is that there is a page for brake service, for brake repair. There is a dedicated page for clutch repair. So you can link to those pages from that content here. And by linking from here, you're telling to Google, these pages are important for me. Please pay attention to those. And Google is likely to reward you with better rankings. So when someone is looking for brake repair, for example, in Northampton, you're more likely to get closer to the top if you're not, rather than not doing that. And it's also useful for users because when someone is navigating through the website and they want to know about any of those, want to know how are you doing it or have more information, they can just click on the link and have that information right away. And those were like a couple of quick wins that can be incorporated on your website that aim to drive more customers. And it's simple to do. It won't break your bank account. So there is no reason why not doing it. And what I showed here is just a small part of what we usually look into when working with local businesses. The end goal is always clear: drive more customers and make more sales for our clients. And if there is anything you want to add or you want to see your website featured in one of those series, you can comment below or you can just visit our marketing and get in touch with us. So until the next Tune-Up Friday, cheers everyone.